So I've now received my tablet back from HTC, although I can't say it's the same one because according to the notes, they did replace it. They did not repair it this time. This is the third time I've sent it back. It does appear to be the case because there isn't the discoloration on the back that there was on mine, and also there's a new IMEI sticker with a new IMEI on it. So it appears to be a new to me refurbished tablet, which was great right up until the point where I discovered that. Yeah, you heard it there. So it is pretty obvious at this point that I wasn't just unlucky. It wasn't just a problem with my particular tablet, but this is seems to be a defect with the Nexus 9 line. I'd be really curious to see who else has this problem. I'm going to ask for my money back, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get it.